Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw JungKook's BTS mini doll figure. So let's get started. To draw this mini JungKook, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really wide bottom of a U. So we come about right there, come across, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So the basic shape we're aiming to draw, just a really wide bottom of a U. From there, we're going to come to where we started, and in this area, kind of to the edge, I'm going to draw a circle. Then I'm going to come to the other side and draw another circle, also towards the edge once again. And now that I have the two circles in, let's come in here and I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Make this a little bit wider circle. Okay, so same thing over here. So the nice thing about draw so cute eyes, are easy to fix, right? Just gonna shade this in. And if you love BTS, please make sure to check out all the BTS members I've drawn. And when I saw these new mini doll figures from BTS in their new pop-up store, I figured you would love me to draw them too, so hopefully you will. And I'm starting with JungKook here, so let me know in the comments below if you want me to draw more of them. Okay, so with these eyes, let's make them a little bit more anime. I'm going to come above this eye, so on the side right here, I'm basically just going to draw a curve over the eye. So let's just start right here and come right across. So we're just going to draw a curve right over the eye. So same thing over here. Just draw right over the eye. And you can adjust it and fix it as you need. There. And then at the bottom right here, very lightly, I'm going to draw another curve. Just to hold down the circle, but not too dark. Just a little bit. Okay, so there. And now the eyebrows above the eye, so say about right here, we're just going to draw a simple curve right over the eye. You can thicken it if you like. So I'm going to save the other eyebrow for later because I have this strand of hair I need to draw over this eye. And now let's draw the mouth. So right about here, I'm going to start and give it lightly, and then on the edges right here, just cap it off. So cute, right? Okay, so now let's bring this up a little bit more. And now we're going to imagine this oval. So let's kind of say about right here. Just give myself a point right here where his hair parts. And from this point, I'm just going to finish it off. Draw a curve that comes back down. And then on this side, I'm going to draw another curve. But before we finish that curve, there's a loop of hair we need to draw over the eye. So right here where we started, let's come up. Nice tall curve. And let's bring a strand of hair down close to the eye and sweep it out. Then now we can go ahead and just finish this curve right here. And now let's see here. Let's come up where this hair parts, and we're just going to draw a curve. So it's going to curve to say about right there. I'm going to give myself a point. From here, this side's going to come down, and this side's going to go up. So now before we finish all that, let's see here. The ears are going to be about right here, so the eye, this is where the hair is going to be on this side, so let's finish this side first. Soft curve and then bring it in. Give it some volume for his hair. And then in this area, go ahead and tuck in that ear. Okay, so now for this side, let's see here. Let's give a little wobble, and we're just going to bring it all the way out. Flare it out, so it's kind of the same curve, and then we're just going to draw some strands of hair. 1, 2. Let me just tuck it in, make it a little bit easier. Just one big strand, and then in this area, we're just going to follow that curve right here and connect it. And here, just to finish it off, and flick it out. So then here, you can go ahead and draw some parting lines for the hair. And so then now let's finish the other eyebrow. So let's come to the other side, same thing here, and draw a curve. And then for the other ear, let's come to the other side. So say about right there. Let's finish off his hair, so about right there, we're going to add an ear. And let's add some details, 2 curves for the ear. Okay, so we have his face in. Hopefully you think that's pretty cute. And then now let's draw his body. So we're going to come to the center and say about right here, I'm just going to draw a V. Right in the center. And then let's go ahead and we're going to draw a little collar for him. So curve out on both sides. And let's see here, right here. Another curve and connect it for the collar. And let's bring his shoulders down. And so about right here is armpit area. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points and draw a slight angle line down. So now I know what to work with right here. So this chest area. So let's bring this up and finish off the shirt right here. Connect it. Bring this down a little bit more. And then let's work on his sleeves. Just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. And shirt's a little bit long, so say about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. And then he has a little flap that kind of hangs out right here, so underneath this curve, just wobble a curve that comes around. From there, let's come in the center, right underneath this little flap right here, and draw a slight angle line down. And let's go 2 lines that come out. We're going to start to draw his legs. Come right here. And let's go ahead and finish this line right here for the pants, and we're just going to get thinner as we come down. So, say about right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And let's draw his shoes. So I'm just going to come out with a slight curve. This side's going to be a little bit straighter and connect. And let's come in here for the bottom of the sole and then the top. So same thing over here. A little bit straighter on this side. Curves out a little bit on the other side and connect. And let's see here. Now his arms. So nice and simple. I'm just going to have them to the side. Nothing fancy. So in this area where his hand's gonna be, I'm gonna bring down this curve. Let's draw his little pudgy thumbs. And his fingers. So same thing over here. Nice thing about drawing a doll, it's much simpler, right? You can simplify everything. So go right there would be his thumb. And connect it. There. Okay, so he has like some graphics on his shirt, but I'm going to leave that one to color it because I don't want it too dark. There's some red and black and blue stripes here and there. But the most important thing is on his shirt there's a J and a K, so I want to draw that in first. So right here I'm just draw the J. And I'll just leave the pattern details on his shirt for when I color it. So I'm just going to draw a J and a K right next to it. And of course, I'm going to add a little heart right here. So there, hope you love how this drawing turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.